We are in a better position than we have been in decades to address the circumstances which now confront us. Jamaica has 16 confirmed cases of COVID-19, including one death. In collaboration with the health authorities, the Director General, OPM, has given the following directions to regulate the movement of persons, animals, and vehicles into and out of and within the Cornpeace community, effectively placing the community under quarantine for the next 14 days to allow for the public health investigations to be completed. Even before our first COVID-19 case, the Ministry of Health and Wellness had developed a comprehensive plan looking at various infection outbreak scenarios and mitigating actions. We are providing financial and other support to the most vulnerable in the society, and this includes a number of businesses, MSMEs in particular, that have been and will be severely impacted. We are also waiving custom duties on masks, hand sanitizers, gloves, and liquid hand soap for a 90-day period. We are also waiving the special consumption tax on inputs such as alcohol in the production of hand sanitizers. The government will make an additional allocation of $2 million per constituency to be used exclusively for COVID-19 related interventions. Minister Darrell Vaz and Minister Desmond McKenzie have been tasked to lead a special task force to develop, implement and monitor a program of trucking water to communities across Jamaica. An initial allocation of $1 million will be made available to members of Parliament for regular trucking of water in response to the COVID-19 crisis. The Ministry of Local Government will increase its black tank program in terms of distributing tanks to communities and the water shop program that they have. We will be putting in place some emergency measures for the procurement of water trucks, but we are calling up on private contractors to come and work with us. We have set up an email address for communication with the NWC to ensure that you are on the schedule, on the route for water distribution. We call on the opposition as well as the private sector NGOs and all Jamaicans to unite at this time of national crisis. Together, we can and we will overcome this challenge. I will show you the new Jamaica that is emerging, the place of choice to live, work, do business, raise family, and retire in paradise. We are in a better position than we have been in decades to address the circumstances which now confront us. 20 successive quarters of economic growth. We have spent $45 billion to improve the capacity and capability of the country's security architecture, and projects to spend a further $15.9 billion in the upcoming fiscal year 2020 to 2021. We have made and continue to make unprecedented investments in improving our health and socio-cultural infrastructure, our built and natural environment, our road networks, our water and sewage, our national security apparatus, our education and training, our judicial system, and our investment climate. We have not reached everyone yet, Mr. Speaker. We haven't gotten every pump repaired. We haven't gotten every road repaired or every school. But one thing is clear, Mr. Speaker. Jamaica has never seen a period of time when we have done so much work and reached so much people. It is the commitment of this government, in spite of COVID, in spite of the fallout in the bauxite alumina sector, in spite of all the challenges that we face, that this decade must be the decade of growth for Jamaica.